Hello guys, in this video we will see the anatomical term used for the sharp elevation and the terms which are used for the expanded ends for articulation. So first we will see the anatomical term for sharp elevation. So for sharp elevation, the first term used is the spine, which is also called as spinous. Example of this type of elevation is the ischial spine, the spine which is present on ischium bone, and the spine of vertebra, and the anterior superior iliac spine. So these are the sharp elevation present on bones which are called as spine: ischial spine, spine of vertebra, and the anterior superior iliac spine. And the second term used for the sharp elevation is the styloid process. And the example of this type of process present is on the temporal bone, which is called as styloid process of temporal bone. Like this type of projection is present on the temporal bone, which is the sharp elevation, which is known as the styloid process on temporal bone. So next we will see the expanded ends for articulation named in anatomical term. First it is called as, the first term used is the head condyle. Head is the first term which is used for the expanded ends, that is the head of humerus. Head of femur, head of radius, and the second term used for the expanded end is the condyle, like the medial and lateral condyle of femur. And the third term used for the expanded end is the epicondyle, that is above condyle portion is called as epicondyle. And the example of this type of projection is the medial and lateral epicondyle of femur, that is the above condyle. As we seen that the medial and lateral condyle of femur, and above the condyle, that is the medial and lateral epicondyle. Now it is epicondyle of femur. And also the epicondyle present on the humerus, that is the medial and lateral, same like the femur, epicondyle of humerus. So in this way we saw the two types of elevation present, the sharp elevation and the expanded end type of elevation. In next video we will see the flat area for articulation named in anatomical term, and the depression, and also the anatomical names of the opening present in the bone. Thank you.